People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, information has surfaced that one of the ways the security forces were able to get a handle on the situation on Mullines Road is they used what is known as Jamaica Eye. Now, for those of you who don't know, Jamaica Eye is like a network of CCTV cameras all across the island. And for example, if you have a camera outside the business place, or you have a camera at a gate which is pointing out towards the road, you can connect to Jamaica Eye, right? And then the people who monitor the system can then tap in and look at your camera. So let's say, for example, you have a business place on Half-Tree Road and something is happening on Half-Tree Road. Jamaica Eye will be able to tap in and monitor what's going on through your camera, right? So this is one of the ways they managed to deal with Mullines Road so effectively. So let me just say, this is a step in the right direction, right? I can see how this would benefit the public, right? But there's one thing I want the Jamaican people to be careful about regarding this camera thing, right? Because remember, we have to look at it from all sides. We don't just jump up like Friday, right, and not look into the fine details, right? Now, this camera allows the people at Jamaica Eye to monitor what's happening outside your home or outside the business. Now, for example, what happened on Mullines Road is an example of how it can be used for positive things. But let's not get carried away. We're living in Jamaica. We're living in Jamrock, a place where our own police forces are used to get rid of people's enemies, right? Now, the question I would like to know, and I would love if somebody from Jamaica Eye can tell us the answer to this question, is how do we as the Jamaican people know that at the other end, that is the monitoring end, is not somebody who did a link with the rogue cops or similar type of security personnel? How do we know at the other end is not somebody like the many senior superintendents and ACPs who we hear are corrupt and are working for 90 octanes and 116 octanes to carry out contract hits? How do we as a people know that's not what's going to happen? Right? Because if I'm going to let you use my camera outside of my house, I need to know without the shadow of a doubt that that information and that data, right, will not be used in any way against me. So how would we guarantee this? So now we're going to need somebody to monitor the people who are monitoring Jamaica Eye. Because pitch in and tell me what you think, people, but isn't it fair if you're going to be able to look outside my gate and look outside my business place and look down my street and my lane, I should at least know who's looking, right? And when I say who, I mean name, number, right? When was this person monitoring from that time to that time? I need information, because you can just so well pass on information. If me and a 90 octane have a problem, or me and a 116 have a problem, how we know I'm not going to give a man a thing and say, yo, tap in to Sir P camera and see if him there home, or see what time him normally come home at evening time, because you have access to my camera, right? So this is just me saying, open your minds, people. Of course, as I said, this is a step in the right direction, but don't forget who you are or where we are, right? And anywhere you are in the world for that matter, once cameras are pointing at you, you have a right to know who's pointing those cameras, right? Especially if it's your camera and it can monitor you as well, right? Because we know a links run Jamaica, and whosoever can grease whosoever palm, right, can get almost anything done, right? So that's the whole thing I really want the people to understand. Yes, Jamaica Eye it's a step in the right direction if it is used positively, as we saw on Malines Road. But we need more information about it, right? I think as a people, we deserve that. We're entitled to that, especially if you're going to be using our own camera, right? But the idea and the concept of it is great, right? Anyway, people, let me know what you think about this Jamaica Eye and the monitoring thing about it. Obviously, I know most people are going to be in agreement with using the camera network to see and monitor developing events. But how are people looking at it from the monitoring side in terms of who will be accountable on the other end, right? So jump in the comment section and talk to me, people. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. This is Sir P. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless up.